Ready for the checklist?
Yes, ready for the checklist, sir.
Documents
on board.
Control key lock removed.
Removed.
Landing gear lever is down.
Is down.
Flaps set for landing.
Yes.
Brake tires and gear in good condition.
Yes.
Night speed or stall all working. Covers are removed. Propeller is in good condition.
Yes.
Inlets are clear. Oil is checked. Surfaces are in good condition.
Yes.
Static openings left and right clear and pins are removed.
Yes.
Fuel, we still have fuel.
The fuel will be
okay.
right.
Fuel on board. Tow bar is removed.
Yes.
I hope.
Yeah.
Start prop clear.
Yeah. Here we go.
Delta Radio, goedemiddag, Delta Echo Oscar Delta Alpha.
Delta Delta Alpha, goedemiddag, come in.
Delta Delta Alpha, requesting taxi for VFR flight to Kortrijk.
Delta Delta Alpha, we have the 25 in use, local QNH is now 1032.
1032 on QNH and 25 in use, Delta Delta Alpha.
Yes. Alright, alright. So, welcome on board everybody. We have a long way to taxi, so we're gonna introduce our flight for today. We are flying from Ursel to Kortrijk with my buddy Dirk.
Yes, again.
Yeah. And we are gonna practice some VOR radials.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
It's been a long time, so yeah, that's the purpose of the flight. We're gonna take off here in Ursel, going to enter the circuit to the left, and then we're gonna intercept the first radial of Costa. Ursel is a NATO military airfield, reserve airfield actually, not used. Only during weekdays they can do practice flights here.
Ursel Radio, Oscar Golf 64.
A very busy airfield.
Yep, especially in the weekends.
So let's do the checks. Left, hold to the right, needle to the left. Hold to the left, needle to the right.
And working.
Look out for your belly.
Yep, yep.
Left up, right down. Right up, left down. Controls are free and correct. The pedals feel good, the brakes feel good. Yes, yes. So we will brief in the meantime. So we will take off runway 25. It's a concrete runway of about, I think, 800 meters. Yep. It's a displaced threshold, approximately 800 meters. Halfway the runway we have a taxiway. We will need to be airborne and 50 knots before that point. If we don't have that, we will abort. If we are airborne and we have an issue with sufficient runway, we land again. If we are airborne with no sufficient runway, it will be left or right 30 degrees. Here in this case we have fields surrounding the airfield. If we are airborne, an issue with sufficient altitude, which is 1200 feet here in Ursel, we turn back, pitch for 92 and prepare for an emergency landing.
Very clear.
The normal takeoff here, left turnout, we will climb to 3000 feet for the exercises. Any questions?
No questions left.
No questions, okay.
Delta Delta Alpha, holding point 25, ready for departure.
Delta Delta Alpha, Roger, wind in the axis 8 knots.
Delta Delta Alpha is lining up. The runway is clear, approach is clear.
Yes, and we have one in takeoff.
One in starting now to the left.
Left wind from the right.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
I see 25. 25. Ready?
Check.
Here we go. Take off. Power is available. We have a few floaties and P's are in the green. Speed is alive. Blah. There we go. Positive rate, gear up please, flaps up.
Gear up. And gear up. Check and flaps up.
Thank you. are climbing 90 knots approximately. And 1,700 feet per minute. Woohoo!
She's going.
Yes, you can put the landing light, fuel pump off.
Fuel pump off, landing light off, and the fuel pump is up. Delta Delta Alpha, leaving your area, QSY, everything information.
Delta Alpha, Roger. Have a nice flight en een goed weekend. Tot later.
Tot later, dank u wel. Delta Delta Alpha.
Can you just give me the radio course of this?
Radio for this part?
Yes, and
is
the other part.
The other part is 137.
137. So we've set 137 here, outbound Coxie, and we're gonna try to intercept the radio. Approaching 3.
Reaching city aerobound there, request to leave the frequency.
Rustig information, goedemiddag, Delta Echo Oscar Delta Alpha.
Station calling again.
Delta Echo Oscar Delta Alpha calling Brussels information.
Delta Echo Oscar Delta Alpha Brussels information.
Delta Echo Oscar Delta Alpha is a TB20 with 2 POB, currently south of Ursel on a VFR from Ursel to Kortrijk, currently at 3,000 feet, squawking 2,000.
Delta Delta Alpha, regional QNH 1030.
1030 on the QNH, Delta Delta Alpha.
Gonna intercept the radio.
Brussels information, Delta Echo Victor India Echo.
We are intercepting.
Yeah, Echo Brussels information.
So we are now flying on the radio.
Yeah. The next one is Nicky on 1230. 1230. 230.
So we have two
Course,
frequency radios. So we have on the Garmin GNS 530. We have Costa. We are tracking on the HSI.
Yep.
And then we have standby NAV2. Now we are tracking that here on the OBS.
Regional QNH 10.
Now we're gonna intercept the radio 230.
which allows to navigate much precisely because you can intersect it between two boards.
I'm gonna hit the heading and the altitude. Autopilot on. So now we are flying autopilot, flight director on, altitude, capture and heading modes. The autopilot will not take the nav because we are not flying on the GNS 350 but on the standby nav. But we're gonna turn, the needle is coming in.
Yep.
Grumman A5 VFR flight from Ursel to Optigan, 2000 feet, beam again, and squawking 2000. Level Oscar Charlie, India, Romeo approaching Zwartberg, requesting frequency change.
Now we are on the radial 230 outbound Nikki VOR.
Yep.
And we're gonna keep the needle into the middle, so we need to adjust the track a little bit. And to demonstrate the nav function, we're gonna set 1740 here, 1740 in this one.
Yeah.
So we're gonna turn 3.
Yep.
Like this. Gonna turn a little bit to intercept. Then we're gonna hit the B-lock and then nav.
And then you can fly on the...
You need to be sure this is V-lock. And now he will anticipate to take the radial with small corrections.
Always small corrections.
So we are doing the scan again, everything looks good here. The P's are in the green, the tanks are balanced.
Annabelle
We, the
call.
power, we have 23, and we are lead for that. THT and EJT is good, so yeah, we are cruising along. We have at the moment 2 degrees Celsius outside. We are flying an indicated speed of 135 knots at 2,300 feet approximately, and we have a ground speed of 133 knots.
Delta Echo Oscar Delta Alpha QSI, course track information.
Delta Echo Oscar Delta Alpha, frequency report.
Frequencies approved, thank you for the service provided. Course track information, goedemiddag Delta Echo Oscar Delta Alpha.
Delta Echo Oscar Delta Alpha, contact information, goedemiddag.
Delta Echo Oscar Delta Alpha, TB20 to POB. We are at beam Echo 1, proceeding to Sierra 1 for landing. Request landing information.
Delta Delta Alpha, runway 24, QNH 1033, more selective.
24 in use, QNH 1033 and more selective, Delta Delta Alpha. 1033.
Contact information, Oscar Oscar Sierra.
So briefing. We are proceeding Sierra 1, Sierra 2. We will enter the downwind runway 24. We will configure in the downwind for a full stop landing at the runway 24.
Check.
Check.
No questions.
Okay, thank you.
In a couple of months we will see it on the tickets.
Yes, but if we need to talk about something,
Yeah.
Dirk will be... No, not Dirk will be. Dirk is thinking about changing his center console.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes? I'm
Just-
right?
Yeah, we just think thoughts on
Yeah, he's thinking about it, but we're gonna keep it a secret of the
Yeah,
configuration.
yeah. If we continue.
If Dirk continues with the new center console panel, it will be a pleasure to fly. But yeah, that's something that we will do a video about it also once we are in that stage.
If you want to know, just follow.
Just follow the VFR pilot for the updates.
Otherwise, you will never know.
Yeah. So be sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up and the notification bell, and select all to be notified when the new videos are coming online.
Especially for all TB owners.
Yeah. Because it's gonna be nice. If it goes through, it's gonna be very nice.
Splendid.
So for the descent, what we do, we just bring the power back to
20.
between 20 and
15.
16, and we let the aircraft settle down. And we don't need to trim normally, so it will settle down around 500 feet per minute. So pitch for speed and power for altitude.
Yep.
You can give me flaps 1
Flaps
if
one.
you want. Yes.
Now.
And gear down.
Gear down. Up. Coming down.
That's normal. I'm on a low power setting.
Fox, Papa Lima, copy, nice, good afternoon.
And the gear is down 3 green.
Delta Delta Alpha downwind 24.
Delta Delta Alpha, report base.
We report base Delta Delta Alpha.
Maybe it's already gone.
Yeah, I think so. Nothing on the right
You
side.
can give me full flaps.
And full flaps coming up.
Delta Delta Alpha, runway is free, the wind 2806 knots.
Full flaps, red, blue, green. Yes,
We are configured, sir.
we are configured for landing. A little bit below the puppies.
Oscar Oscar Sierra Tiger Delta, holding 06 to cross the runway. Ja, Oscar Town Delta, look out for landing traffic.
Nice. Okay.
Alpha 4.
24 is
We're gonna spare the brakes a little bit.
November 9535, you can proceed for lineup and look out for traffic still on the runway.
We are landed back at the home base.
Yeah.
So, if
Right.
you like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe,
Yeah.
hit the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. We are also started with our night rating, so
Yeah.
we're gonna try try to post some footage. It's not easy to
It'll be fun.
shoot.
Mid-20 at night. Fully illuminated.
Yes, there's something to look forward to.
Okay,
Yeah.
Wow.
The nice aircraft.
The steerman.
So yeah, hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Make sure you hit the notification bell to be notified, and share this video with everybody who has an affection or something to do with aviation. It doesn't matter, just share it.
Doesn't
to
matter
help
what
to grow.
planet, Earth, Venus,
Yeah, just on
Mars,
planet, yeah.
anywhere.
So yeah, see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Right, bye bye, cheers.
Yes.
Charlie is leaving us.
Ciao.
Okay, bye bye.